Good morning, dolls. How's everybody doing today? If this is your first time stopping by, welcome to the channel. This community here is a wonderful community. I do fashion videos, in particularly for the women over 50, just over 55 actually, just because sometimes we can get stuck in that rut and start to look frumpy and old and not knowing what fits our body properly. And so this community is here to help you to achieve a a great look every time you get dressed. Have fun getting dressed and explore different options when you get dressed. That is what I am about. I personally love fashion, always have loved fashion. I have worked in retail, luxury retail, as well as fast fashion retail. So I know a little bit. I know a little something, something. I know how to, put things together and how to look nice, how to elevate an outfit, how to, make you feel good. Clothes are simply a tool that you use to express yourself, to express who you are or who you think you are or who you want to be in that moment. A lot of it has to do with feeling. What do you feel for the day? So, anyway, I'm not going to ramble on, but I really wanted to do this get ready with me video really quick because I'm on my way to the dentist, the place I hate going. But I wanted to do this video because I'm wearing denim today. And I know that sometimes choosing denim for our bodies is a little difficult. Sometimes we don't get the right length, the right cut, the right inseam, the right style that flatters your body type. So, having said that, I'm just going to talk a little bit about the jeans that I am wearing today and the reason that they work. These are the jeans that I am wearing today. They are a straight cut jean. I like the darker wash. These are the Levi's signature loose fit jeans. Now, I've tried the mom jeans, the dad jeans, the wide legs, the skinny jeans. For me in particular, straight leg jeans work best for me. When I get them, I have to get them in a petite. Otherwise, they are always going to be too long. For reference, I'm only 5'2". So, I always get, if I can, get petite sizes. If I cannot, then I have to take them to the tailor and have them hemmed. So, these are in a petite size. They work great. This is a size, I don't even know what size this is. Let's see. I don't even know what size this is, guys. The label doesn't say the size. Okay, I don't know what size I don't know what size they are, but I'm sure they're probably around a 6 or an 8. But I wanted to talk about jeans because and these don't have a lot of stretch. They have a little bit of stretch in the waistband, but that's it. They don't have any stretch. But I wanted to talk about jeans because when you wear jeans, it is important that you find jeans to fit your body type and jeans that flatter your figure. For me, in my opinion, I think that straight leg jeans look good on every woman, whether you're apple shaped or pear shaped or curvy or athletically shaped, like straight up and down, like me. Like I have a very athletic figure where I am straight up and down. I don't have any curves. I don't have hips. I don't have butt. I don't have any of that stuff. So I think that straight leg jeans look great on any woman. Now these, let me put them on. these work for two reasons. One, because they're the perfect length. And two, because they're loose fit, but they're not like overly baggy, right? Because I think that when you get overly baggy, they start to look slouchy, or they start to look, like they just ill-fitting for you. So this is how they fit. They are high waist. They are high waist, so that is perfect. This is how high the waistband is, but you see that they fit looser in the leg all the way down to the ankle. So that I cuff mine up because I'm wearing a pair of loafers today, and I think that when you wear flats with denim, you want a little space between the ankle and the shoe. So you want a little bit of the ankle to show, and you don't want you don't want the hem of the pant to meet the shoe. In my opinion, I think that just elongates the body when you have just a little leg showing or a little ankle showing. But the inseam on these is probably about a 30, which works perfect for me. I don't have like a lot of this in the crotch hanging. I do have to put on a belt. They are a little big in the waist. So I do have to definitely wear a belt with these. But again, I love the fit of these. They fit perfectly in the hips, in the rear, and they are the perfect length. Now, when you are looking for jeans, I think that it is important for you to pay attention to, again, the size, the cut. If you're a more curvy girl, they do have jeans out there that are made specifically for curvy girls. I love Old Navy for their jeans. I love Levi's. Those are my two favorites. The majority of the jeans in my closet, and I have a lot of them, but the majority of the jeans in my closet are either from Levi's or Old Navy. And the reason that I do that is because they usually sell petite sizes, and they usually sell like different cuts and different styles of jeans. I can find any style of jean that I'm looking for in either Old Navy or Levi's. So I buy all of my jeans from there. They are a nice weight. They have a nice weight to them. They're not like really thin, but then they're not very heavy. I do have some that I have purchased that are much heavier. Again, those are things that you want to pay attention to if you want a really thick pair of denim, or you want the denim to be pretty heavy. They have those to offer you. I was not sponsored by Levi or by Old Navy. I love their jeans. So I wanted to just express to you that jeans are great. If you're not a denim kind of girl, I would implore you, I would ask you, encourage you to try a pair. But trying a pair means that you have to find the right pair for you. And sometimes that means you have to go into the store and try them on. You might have to try on 15 different styles or 15 different shapes or 15 different kinds. But take your time until you find the pair. When you put them on, you're like, this is it. This is the pair. This is the perfect pair of jeans for me. And then you will have an idea from that point, from that reference point, what actually works for you and how to buy jeans in the future. Denims are great because you can wear them all year round. You can dress them up. You can dress them down. Like they just work. I could put on a t-shirt and a blazer with these and elevate these in that way. Or like today, I'm simply wearing a chunky sweater with these, and give me a minute and let me get that on. As you can see, I have put the rest of my clothes on. I have put my sweater on. I love this big chunky knit sweater with like the cowl neck, the cowl neck turtleneck, instead of it being so close up to my neck like a traditional turtleneck. It gives me that kind of draped feeling. I've added a simple black belt with a silver buckle on it, and then a foot. I have simply put on my Franco Sarto, I think these are Franco Sarto loafers. But I really wanted to focus on, and I comb my hair. I comb my hair. Quick story time. So yesterday, I was supposed to go to the dentist on yesterday, and I was in the kitchen trying to get some stuff together, and I'm having some construction done on my house. Somehow or the other, I slipped and lost my balance and fell, and my head hit the wall, and I busted my head open. Ended up having to go to the hospital and get stitches in my head. Okay, so. But today is all good. Today, I'm all good. A little bit of a headache, but I'm all good. But I wanted to focus on the jeans because I know that sometimes we don't wear jeans at this particular age because they don't fit us right, or we haven't found the style of jean that works for us. So these, again, are the Levi's signature loose fit high waist jeans. I think these are perfect for every shape, every body. I love them because on the side, you see how close together the belt loops are? It gives you more, it gives you the ability to control more how the waistband fits, and I love that. And then the two belt loops here in the front, almost force you to have to be able to center it actually forces you to have to center your belt because these are centered right in the middle of the pant. So love that. I simply tucked a little bit of the sweater in and just kind of draped it over the top of my pants. Now I did add a cuff in these, like I said, because I'm wearing loafers, and I think that denim looks best when it hits you just right at the ankle, and you have just a little bit of skin showing between the ankle and the shoe. I think that works best, and that looks best on everybody. That's my opinion, y'all. That's my opinion, and based on some of the fashion experts that I read about, that I listen to, they agree. So you can do it however you want to do it because it's your way. That's the point. You wear what works for you, and you wear it the best way that it fits you. But I would tell you that if you are not a denim girl, try on some different styles. They have every style available now. These are my favorite. I love the loose fit. I love that they don't fit me like really snug and tight. Nothing is pulling. Nothing is sagging. They fit a little baggy, and they are the perfect length for me because they are petite, but I have chosen to roll them up a little bit just so I can show a little ankle here, and then put on these beautiful loafers. And I will carry a black bag, and today it is a little chilly outside, so most likely I will put on a coat instead of a jacket. Again, this is a way that you can elevate a very casual, basic look, and it's just by the small things that you do. Small things, the details matter. Small touches. I've added my watch and a bracelet stack on that arm, and the bracelet stack that I always wear on this arm. Other than that, that's it. That's all I got. But I wish you the best of luck in finding the perfect jeans. Take your time. Try a bunch of them on. Don't get discouraged. Don't get frustrated. There is a pair of jeans out there that will fit you perfectly, and they will make you feel amazing. And I know that you will find something that you love if if you're just patient and take your time. So until the next video, dolls, I'll see you. Bye.